the Tuxedo Monkey here, back with another video. And today...
Yo, it's Chip 101 807. Subscribe to Chip 101.
Anyway, today we are going to be playing, what is this? JailBreak, the JailBreak VIP. So today, what we really want to do is go and rob a museum. But this is a VIP, so no one else is going to be in here. So let's get straight into it. Liam, are you going to stop?
Okay.
Are you going to stop dancing?
Never.
You're never going to stop dancing. Okay.
Let's go.
That's okay with me.
How are we going to get in this? Oh, wait, yeah, I know.
Okay.
So,
Let's see what we can find. So, we need to, you know what? We could just literally escape. No one is here. Like, seriously. Let's just, which way do you want to escape? We're not really escaping. I'll do whatever way you want. Do you know what way, Liam?
Did you know there was a sewer escape?
Yeah, I know there's a sewer escape. I've done it once. I love the sewer escape. It's one of my favorites.
Hello? Is it? Oh, sorry. Copyright.
Anyway. Whoop. We still have... So, what do you want me to drive or do you want to drive?
I'm gonna drive.
You want to drive? Okay. That's fine with me.
Actually, you can drive.
Okay. I don't care who drives.
How?
Oh, no. No, there you go.
Right.
Let's go. Okay. I'll drive.
I saw the last video you made. Luckily, there's no cops.
Yeah, because the last time, whenever I was on JailBreak, I, mostly got caught. And because, you know...
I wish I was in all your vids.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Guys, can you subscribe to Chip 101?
Yeah.
That would make my day. And I'm close to 10 subscribers.
Yeah.
Chip.
Just wait. Chip 101 is Liam. The guy who I'm talking to right now is Chip 101. Please go and subscribe to Chip 101. But he made one Minecraft video, but I think one Minecraft video is very good for a start. Oh, why did I jump out? No. Sorry.
Why did you get out, boy?
I'm sorry. It was on accident. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to. Wait, why are you driving? Get out. I know where we need to go. Can you please get out? Dude, can you please get out? I want to drive.
Sorry, sir.
It's fine. But get out of my life. I love joking around with you. Okay. Let's see. So, I believe we...
Over there. It's over there, Evan. Turn around.
Wait, go back?
No, don't turn back.
Turn left? Or right?
No, just... You do you.
Okay. That's fine with me. I can do that any day. Take a cool drift, and we're at a dead end. I meant to do that. I totally meant to do that. Come on. Oh, I should buy that. Which way do we need to go?
I'm still here.
Wait, I know where to go. We go this way. I'm going. Wait. It's a red light. You always need to wait for a red light. Is it this way?
Yeah.
Or this way? Which way is it? I believe it's this way. I believe it is this way. Wait, never mind. Nope, not this way. Never mind. Why am I getting so confused?
I was at soccer practice and I need a drink.
Okay. Where is it? I think it might be this way. I believe... Really? Seriously? This is the way. No, don't go in that. Liam, I want to rob the... We're almost there. We just have to wait for this. Come on. Get in the car. Get in the car. I believe we're almost there. All we have to do is go over here. Dang it. This is not the way. Really? I thought... What? This is...
Let me just see if I can buy this card.
You're gonna buy that car, dude? You're really gonna spend your Robux to do that?
Nope.
Too expensive.
Can I customize the card?
You know what? You could... You can... You be you. You name it Chips? Really? Really, dude? Oh, you know what? Whatever. Okay,
Good.
So,
God, man, God.
last time whenever we were on, not this game, but Murder Mystery 2. Wait, never mind. Never mind, I deleted that video. Anyway, sorry, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Up. So this is my first ever video.
Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Flying through the sky. Let on shine.
I meant to do that.
Whoa, nice driving, boy.
Sorry. Sorry, sir.
No, I said nice driving.
Oh, I thought you said bad driving.
Ow.
Oh.
It's okay.
Thank you. I don't know where the museum is. I remembered it was over there. Where is this museum? I need
Can
this.
you try driving? I know where it is.
You know where it is?
Yeah.
Let me do this. You get in. You drive. Drive. And if you want to friend Liam on Roblox, if you want to find Liam, he is Chip101807. And remember, this is my first video with Chip. So
I'm
this
amazing. I know. Sometimes.
Chip is very cool. I like him. We've been playing on Roblox. We've been playing with each other on Roblox, like for a long
since
time.
March.
Are you sure you know where the museum is?
Yes.
Because I don't. I just found the museums. I found the museum. I robbed the museum 2 times off camera. I got like $9,000 until I got $10,000. I paid it on a car, and then I don't know where the car is anymore. So I just paid my money for nothing. That wasn't a video. That was just off camera with me and Owen, my brother. Dude, why did you just run us into a wall?
I'm going.
Liam,
I'm here. Sorry.
can I drive?
No, I know where I'm going.
Then are you gonna move?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to my room.
Okay. Oh, we're going.
Please subscribe to me. That will make my day, and I will be so happy. Happy and rocket fuel.
Liam's channel. He loves his channel, but I think Liam's channel is super cool. I subscribe too. If you guys want to subscribe, please do that.
Unsubscribe to Cool Johnny if you're subscribed.
What? Unsubscribe? Why would you unsubscribe from Cool Johnny?
Okay, never mind.
Dude.
But don't watch his videos, his old videos. He says my full name. Please do not watch this. I do not want to see in comments.
Yeah, I know.
I hate that.
Yeah, just please don't do that. But we're going. Are you sure you know the way?
Do you know the way?
Do you know the way?
Yes, I do, actually.
You do know the way?
I'm getting a new car, that's how I know the way.
Oh my gosh, you're killing us right now.
If this dude real life, that would be killing us. Oh my gosh, I'm really killing us.
Yeah, you are. You really is killing us. This is painful.
Ow. There's the car.
Really? You want this car from any car? You don't want a Lamborghini or a... You want this, huh?
Sorry, it's the best I got.
I'm sorry, bro. Just let's go to the museum. I really want to rob the museum today. That's the reason why I want to... This is the reason why we wanted a VIP, so then we could rob... Can I drive?
Yes.
Actually, I don't have enough money, so you have to drive.
Oh no.
Because
It's
you're...
way easier on computer.
Yeah, it is easier. Are you on computer or phone? Phone? Huh. Okay, so yeah. Liam, you are going to kill us right now.
I already did.
I just really want to get to the museum. Can we just please get to the museum?
Let's just walk.
Okay, do you know where the museum is? Seriously, do you know where the museum is? Ow! Hey, no, go away. You're mean. You're mean, go away.
Hello.
No, go away. Go away. Run away. Oh, there you are. Hey. Where are we going?
I have no idea.
Okay, we lost our car. I can pay Robux to get money so then I can drive the car. Okay. Bye. Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. Nuh-uh.
What?
No, I'm not spending that much Robux for that. Nuh-uh. No. 1,099 Robux for 25,000. I'm not spending that. I have only 1,600. I'm not spending that. Nuh-uh. I have a question now. How are we supposed to get to the museum?
I knew where it was. It was in the city.
This is upsetting.
Just gotta walk to the city.
Ugh. Come on. This is just painful now.
We're like stranded prisoners. Like I'm a survivor.
I'm a survivor.
I'm
I'm a survivor.
Because it's copyright.
I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Oh my gosh.
Which part of this car?
Ooh, how much is that car?
50,000.
What the heck? Oh, that will take more than 1,099 Robux.
How many do you have?
1,600. I'm not paying that. Oh, I got 50 cash now.
So did I.
Okay. So we have no car. Oh, if we go back to the jail, we can the prison.
Camaro.
We can get back our car. I'll drive. And this time, I think I know another way. I'm driving. I'm driving. Let's go.
Go.
I'm going.
I'm a survivor.
Ugh.
I'm not gonna sing this song because it's copyrighted. I don't want every channel to blow like a creeper. That will make me sad. Wait, I want it to blow up because it's got bad. It's the best channel in the world. You should subscribe to TTM. Because he's amazing.
Thank you.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Guess what?
What?
We were both our first friends. Evan was my first ever friend.
Yeah.
Fun fact.
Yeah, that's a fun fact. Liam was my first ever friend.
And we also, another fun fact, we were in the Wizard of Oz.
Yeah, the Wizard of Oz play. We were in the Wizard of Oz. Susquehanna High School? Yeah, we were... Yeah, let's not tell them what we were.
Munchkins.
Yeah, we were Munchkins. Yes, we were Munchkins.
We do not reveal our school.
Yes. Yeah, good point. We shouldn't really reveal our school. Oh, here's the museum.
Of course, you know. Wait, Evan, trying you to go.
Oh,
Whoa, that was good.
I know. Can't believe I caught that on camera. That was awesome.
That on camera?
Yeah, you're on camera right now.
Really?
Yeah, you're on camera right now.
We're almost there. Oof. Oh,
Okay.
come on.
This is my first time doing it on camera. I do not know why I'm crawling, but I'm doing it anyway.
You're the wrong way. You're going the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Oh, no, never mind.
Now, this might take us a while. Never mind. Did you pay to do it automatically? Oh. I'm just gonna grab this bone. Ah. Rob it. Rob it. Rob it. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that bone. Give me that bone, bone, bone. Okay. Now the exit is over there. How much? Do you have 5 kg right now?
I have 1,225 Robux up.
Ah, that's really... Okay, I'm gonna leave, okay?
Okay, we can go.
It won't let me leave. I don't know why it's not letting me leave.
Because we need to do the thing.
What thing? I think it's a...
Just give me a minute. I gotta grab more.
Wow, that's a really weird noise.
Which music?
Please turn that down.
Get out here.
Oh, you died. Dang it. I'm all by myself now.
Oh no.
I don't like being by myself.
Oh,
Oh, I died. Oh, Owen has joined the server.
Oh no, no, no.
Just stop. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Owen joined the server. It's gonna be alright, okay? Oh, no.
Okay. Please, just
Okay.
I just ban him from this game.
Do not ban him from this game, Liam. Don't you dare. Don't ban him. Don't you dare. He's my brother. Do not ban him.
Is he a cop? Oh no.
Oh, he's a police. Oh gosh, he's a police.
Hi.
Owen's a police. People, Owen is a police and he is on duty. We have to run. Run, run, run.
And I got
Wait,
it.
you have enough. Hey, you have a... Never mind, you do not have enough for that Lamborghini. Meh.
How much does it cost?
100,000. Anyway, that takes a lot just for that. Maybe if we go back to the prison, we could just sneak up on him. That would be fun. No. So I guess we tried to rob the museum, but we failed. We tried to rob the museum, but we failed.
What? I was in a munchkin. I was actually, the Tin Man.
You weren't the Tin Man.
Okay. Oh yeah, that was Zachary.
Yeah, of course.
The cowardly lion was Francis.
Don't tell their names. Sheesh.
Oh, sorry, Francis. I meant Tim. Oh no, run!
Oh, is he coming?
That's his helicopter. Get us out of here.
Do you like how I'm drifting?
Use Q.
I have an idea. Are you ready?
Use Q. What? Okay, 1 minute. I've got to go to my mom, so give me a minute.
Okay, so Liam is mostly a BRB moment. Be right back. So you guys can talk to me. You guys can hear me. So Liam is in a BRB. Oh gosh, where should I go? Owen's not gonna find us. Don't worry, guys. Owen's not gonna find us at this rate. So I'm gonna get some guns. I'm just gonna go and get some guns. Get out, get some guns. Let's get some guns, people. Let's get some guns. Here's the gun that I wanted. Here you are, my beauty. Perfect. There are all my guns. Well, you guys can't see my guns, but there are my guns. Now, let's go before Owen really finds us. So, yeah. As you guys remember, Owen was in my jailbreak video, my first ever video. Owen was in it. I guess he's not talking to me today. So, yeah. You're back?
It took me a while.
Yeah, it took you a while, but you're done with your BRB moment?
Wait, where's Owen?
Owen, you're in my car, don't worry. We're all okay. I got a new gun. But you couldn't get it because you weren't with me. You were in your BRB moment. Ooh, I'm gonna rob this place. Just because I want to. Maybe, oh, I already have this car so I can use this. I already bought that a while ago.
So do I.
We should,
I'll rob it first.
no, I will.
No, I will.
We can both rob it.
No, you can't.
Really, dude? You moved me. Did you already rob it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I glitched.
You glitched? What? You just stole all that money. I'm gonna be in the truck.
Evan, I glitched. No, look up.
Look up. Why?
Get out of there and look. Oh my gosh, you did the same glitch too.
Oh my gosh. Wow, we're on the roof, huh? Oh, I thought that was Owen trying to shoot us. Oh my gosh.
Owen, where is he?
I have no idea.
If he comes close, run. Let's go.
Ooh, who wants to go in the yellow truck?
Okay.
Yellow's my favorite color. Fun fact.
I thought it was red. No,
It used to be
change
red.
every time.
It used to be red. Then it was blue. Then it was
Yeah,
yellow.
change every. Oh, I know why it's yellow.
Bananas.
Yellow road.
Yeah, because I'm the Tuxedo Monkey. I love yellow. I'll have to end this video soon because this is getting pretty long.
Really?
Yeah, it's like 21 minutes already.
Let's go 2:30.
What?
Let's go 2:30.
Oh, we can't go to 2:30. It's 21 right now. 21 minutes. It's almost 22. It's now 22. Yes.
6:30.
Let's
go 2:30.
I'll have to end the video soon. I will. I can't make it like super long. No,
What if it was a live stream? I don't know how you do live stream.
I know how to do a live stream.
Really?
Yeah, I know how to go live. It's simple. Whenever you get YouTube, it shows you the button and then it lets you go live. If you guys ever want me to go live, show my face, I can do that. Very simple.
Don't, you're not showing your face, Evan.
You do not tell me what to do. You are not my mommy. You are not my mother.
I'm sorry, Evan. Please.
Sometime I'll have to show my face.
You might make it.
Oh, you want to chase this train? Nah. Let's go. Woohoo! Ah, 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 oh, we landed it. See? I have